grocery shopping with one of my participants, and he's trying his best to buy as many vegan goods as possible.
Hi!
Fifi's one of the participants of my program with Only Just Vegan. He prefers face-to-face sessions, so we met for the coaching, for lunch, and for a grocery haul. Here I was showing him a brand that I have tried, and they're sold for 2 packs at 199 pesos. 1 pack costs 120 to 135 pesos. This brand has just recently added their vegan line because most of their products are vegetarian.
Yes, we need tofu, right? We have one that's already sliced, and we have small blocks. So what are you getting?
The big ones. Is this tofu? Ah, ito.
Sige nga, sign mo nga paano klaseng tofu yan?
Soybeans, butter, calcium sulfate. Kimchi gift. 820. Feeling ko ito yung kukunin. Hi! I'm trying to check kung meron sila. I forget the name. Yung nilalagay sa pansit na yung parang onion dix, yung green siya na
Green onions?
no. Yung parang ganito rin siya. Wait.
Spring onions?
No, this one I
Celery!
The use of oil should never be an issue if you're not consuming animal fats. Moderation is the key.
Oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce is not vegan. Are you kidding me? This one's good, the hoisin sauce.
It's Likong Kim again. I don't have na gochujang.
Okay.
But we have not seen any gochujang.
I think it's here somewhere.
Already.
So, is it vegan?
Yeah.
How is it vegan?
No egg.
No egg?
Yes.
How about milk?
No milk.
Oh, okay, perfect.
Contains
Yeah.
wheat. Super dito. Wheat no expiry.
It's 49, is it? 49.75?
26.
Adding herbs and spices to home-cooked meals can do wonders.
Would you like to get
Like yung mga pampabango, like rosemary or basil,
basil
or
leaves? Garlic. Ayan, basil leaves, oh. Mura lang yan.
di ba meron tayong rosemary emerald?
Why rice light?
Vegan.
I've constantly reminded him to check the ingredients because a product might not be labeled vegan, but the ingredients are vegan. It's worth noting that anything bought from the supermarket has added ingredients. So if you have issues with those, you can always make your own.
What did you get anyway?
I have a bread that is vegan,
Yes.
soy milk,
Okay.
gata,
What for? What is that for?
for my binagoongan.
Okay.
I have tofu,
Yeah.
I have here sesame oil,
Okay.
I have here some frozen foods, and then I have bright and white, and this one, bell pepper.
What
Ano
is
pa
the
ba?
bell pepper for?
For my sisig? Yeah, it's for my tofu sisig.
Okay.
And then I have onion leeks.
Okay, good
And
job. And
kimchi.
kimchi, is it vegan? Can you check the ingredients again?
Yes, it's vegan. Chinese cabbage, chili powder, garlic, onion, ginger, iodized salt, daikon radish, sugar, and scallions.
So we're safe because it does not contain fish sauce. Yay! And we have something else there.
Sugar and oil.
About 90% of the items he bought are items he has been buying previously and are already vegan. I hope nothing but the best for you, Fifi, and I'm always here if you need help. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell.